Brad, get down there here. Brad, come over here. Come right here, get right here. Alrighty. No, not yet. Gary, move up. Go around. Look. Come here. Go around this path here. Go around this street here. We're getting fired at. Stay down low. Go around this path to the right here. Get up that building, okay? I'll cover you. Go. Alright, I know I hit that guy. Brad, main building, the circular one. Get on the side. Get on our side of the circular building. Cover me, Brad. Cover me, Brad. Cover me. You see him? You got eyes on him? You see him? Oh. He's in the window, right window. Oh, sorry. Yes, the spawn. Brady, you only move up to the right. Cameron, go in the woods to your right there. Run on the other side of those logs. Stay low afterwards.
Get one of the diamond bunkers.
Bunker? The white one?
The one right here straight from me.
Alright.
Is somebody running to the flag?
Hit?
Yeah, we need to get it.
Yeah, somebody in that bunker. Hey, where's Riley? Riley, come here. Riley, come this way. Come around this way. Come around this way to me. Come by me. Come by me. All right, listen to me. Look, see those logs right there? Yeah. I want you to run and dive into those logs. Don't stab yourself on one of them little ones right there. Just get behind them logs and watch to the right that way, that little building there, okay? You ready? Go. Lay down, stay low. You want to cover me? If you freaking come out, I'll go. Hit! That's 2 down. Anything? I know where we are, Brad. So just be vigilant. A really quiet person right on me. Hit! Nice shot! Brad, he's poking out on the right, on the left, on the left. Look left. He's behind the barrels on your left. Barrels on the left, far left.
One there's number 6 time.
All right.
Number 6.
All right. Cover that kid, Brad. Cover that kid.
Go push up, kid.
Oh, fine.
Go run up and bunker him.
Huh?
That my little nephew right there. Watch.
Yeah, dude, he's doing good.
He don't give a dang. Trying to get in this crack. I can't do it.
I daggum can't see anything, so I'm just letting you know I got barely any visibility on my right eye.
Behind the barrels back there. You keep seeing me looking at him.
Yeah.
He keeps poking his head up. Come on, Martin! I got hit that time. I got hit. I'm pretty sure I hit that one dude.
Probably dead.
He moved up to the barrels. He's out, he's out. Woo!
Here's all.
I got 4 of them up there.
Mark moved up to this barrel right there. These.
I got 4 of them.
He's behind
What? The barrels.
Yeah, Mark moved up. Mike.
He's
Oh,
right at
oh,
this
you
barrel.
can't-
The
you can't
ones
do that
right
one.
here.
Never mind.
The other side of these white ones?
No, yeah. Not that one. This is with the blue barrel.
Okay. Oh, okay. Blue barrel
Yeah.
there.
He's back there.
All right.
Is he wearing like a helmet?
White barrel.
Here. Switch with me. I gotta stand up real quick. My knee's going numb. I can't see anything with these daggum goggles.
And Uncle's right behind it. They're making the woods over there.
Yeah. Somebody's in the woods, y'all.
Dang, Mason got him point blank. Hit, gun hit.
Gonna hit count this game?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just shooting to hold them down. Can you see that way? Can you cover them barrels? Yeah, cover them barrels. Well, they'll be coming. Is that the brown barrel, far right side? Far right side, brown barrel. All the way back. Those ones. Oh, sorry. Sorry, man. Yeah. Huh? Our guy. Friendly. Or, might be their guy. I don't know. You want to come up here and cover this? Right here. Yeah, I can't see anything. Can you see? Yeah, come here. I can't say anything. Go right there. Get right here where I was. Cover that direction. Use your left arm. Shoot your left arm. Alright. Because they're not aggressing any. They're trying to use the woods, but yeah. Oh, hit! Nice shot! Yeah, it will. Brad, they're coming to your right. Watch your right. No. They're going to come up the right. They're going to come up the right in the center, and they're coming to our right. You guys coming up the left there. We got guys left coming on the bridge. Y'all watch the bridge. Hit. Hey, sniper. We got a guy right. Guy right side, yeah. Down that way in the woods somewhere laying in the brandy. Yeah, I see him. I see him. We got a guy bottom of the hill left. Left side, bottom of the hill. Brad, how you doing over there? What? You pinned? Michael, sniper, you got that? I see him. Brad, you got eyes on where he's at? What is it? Probably a spring. You're shooting. Shoot single if you got to. You're shooting the. All right, they're coming up on our lefts and our rights, so keep your eyes open. Especially the right side. See somebody? Left side, left side, left side.
Hit.
Left side. We got guys on the left. Riley, see anything up there? How are y'all in the bunker over there? Hey, is that guy on the road to the right? Sniper right side, or yeah, right side on the road. Is that one of our guys? He's out. He's out, okay. Sorry. Hit. Hit. Thank you.
Oh, it's done.
Thank you, man.
Alright, go get him.
Come on, y'all, come on! Hit! Nice hit! On. There it went.